Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be talking about how to install Xournal++, and right after that I'll be talking about one feature of it called QuickScreenshot. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to install this particular software, you need to go to this particular site. Okay, and once you are there, let me go to the site, just a minute. This is the site. Okay, after getting there, just go to this particular place, and here you'll see how to install it. So one way to install this particular thing is you run set of commands which are given over here using unofficial PPA. Of course, one would like to install the stable release. In order to do that, you just go over here and then just download the Debian file. Right after that, just go to the folder you have downloaded the file, say cd download, and then you'll run the following command: dpkg-i filename.debian. Once you say enter, it will ask you for your root password. Once you give it, you're good to use the Xournal++. Well, the version I have installed is the following version: Xournal++ version. This is the version I have installed, and in order to install this particular version, what you need to do is you just go over here, automated nightly release, download the Debian file or tar.gz file. I prefer Debian, and once again you run the command I told you, sudo dpkg-i file name. That's all. Give the password and you have the software. Once you have the software, you'd like to use the QuickScreenshot. Okay, so let me open the app. Nice. Xournal++. Say you write something. Now you want to take a screenshot of this particular text and you want to send it to your students. All you need to do is the following: you just go to plugin manager, you have to enable this particular plugin QuickScreenshot. Once you enabled it, just go over here, you say QuickScreenshot, and now you select, cancel. Once again, it's not QuickScreenshot. Nice. Once you select the thing, you just say okay, say math, and you just say save. That's it, you have it. Now all you need to do is the following: in order to open it, cd I guess downloads, UG, and you have it. You see, you can share it with your students. one more thing which I'd like to tell you over here is what, yeah, you have this thing, you can share it with the students. Cool. What is that I want to tell you? Yeah, I suppose that's it. I already told you how to install it. So if you like the video, please click the like button. If you find it useful, I'll appreciate if you subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Have a good day. See you then.